Hi guys, good morning and welcome. The headline of today's news says, "I can't wait to go home, kneel and show my dad the man after my heart." Ultimate Love Rosie says. Rosie has dropped an emotional statement that has got people talking and wishing for unconditional love. The most talked housemate of the just concluded TV reality show called Ultimate Love, Rosie said for her it's not for camera but she can't wait to go home, kneel before her daddy and show him the man she is getting married to. She also added that she would ask her father if he's ready to accept Kachi as his son-in-law. Kachi interrupted her and said her father has already accepted him to be his son-in-law. That statement from Kachi made Rosie to start blushing. Honestly, Rosie and Kachi have impacted positively to the general public with this serious love affair. The way they are taking their love stories to the next level is seriously teaching people that no matter what, true love still exists. If Rosie can still find the type of love Kachi is showering on her, then you can still be loved despite your ugly situation or stories. It might interest you to know that Kachi and Rosie pulled crowd via their last live video. The potential couples were able to get 2,022 persons to watch them live via their Instagram account. According to @Nuru, who shared the statistics on Twitter, said Kachi and Rosie are already celebrities for pulling that amount of viewers without the help of already known celebrities. Sandy Baby said she enjoyed the live video and also the viewers were something else, even when the live broadcast was not announced. We, the lovers of Kachi and Rosie, can't wait to witness the day Rosie would present Kachi to her parents. It would be a memorable day and something to talk about. I'm very much happy for Rosie and Kachi and I pray that their love would make ways for them. Do you have anything to tell them? Kindly use the comment box and drop your opinion. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.